Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download YouTube Studio as an app on laptop. This will allow you to access YouTube Studio directly from your desktop, just like a regular application, without having to open your browser every time. To begin, make sure you are already signed in to your YouTube Studio using your browser. Any browser that supports progressive web apps can be used for this, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. In this example, I am using Google Chrome. Once your YouTube Studio dashboard is open, move your mouse to the top right corner of the browser window. Click on the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and look for the option called Cast, Save and Share. Under this section, you will see an option that says Install as App. Click on this. A small prompt will appear asking if you would like to install YouTube Studio as an app. Select the button that says Install. Another prompt will ask if you want to pin the app to your taskbar for quick access. You can choose Yes if you want it to appear on your taskbar or No if you prefer to keep your desktop uncluttered. Once you confirm, the app will be installed and opened automatically. Now you can see that YouTube Studio is running as a standalone window, just like any other desktop app. You can minimize it, close it, or even pin it to your Start menu if you prefer. To confirm that the installation is complete, try closing your browser completely. Then go to your desktop or taskbar and open YouTube Studio again. It should now launch as its own separate window without needing to open your browser. That's all you need to do to install YouTube Studio on your laptop. It's a simple way to access your YouTube dashboard faster and manage your channel more easily. Thanks for watching.